In this video you are going to learn 3 amazing examples how to destroy your opponents with Fischer tactical motif. And we have this position here. Do you know from which opening did you reach this one? Let me show you the game from the beginning. After knight f3, and here white played this really strange move e4. So black captures there, we have that one, and after this he played the move d3. I can do it with transposition in order to help you. After the move e4, the most common first move, we have d5. Do you recognize this opening? And this is Scandinavian defense. I have a complete article, a very detailed article about the Scandinavian defense, and you are very welcome to follow the link below of that video in order to see the article with a lot of videos, games there, analysis, etc. So after this strange move we have transposition by this. And let's go back. The most normal move is to play knight to f6, and after this obviously black is going to recapture, and after this I had the black pieces at some time and I thought, okay, what you're going to do, why you played like that? The most natural move in this position is to play h6. Okay, I fell into the trap. The best move actually here is to play knight f6 obviously, and after that black is going to play h6 and he's going to kick white pieces out. But many players will going to fall into this trap, and here we can take, and black will continue think that the other guy is completely amateur, completely beginner, and he's just sacrificing his pieces. But after this we have a fantastic move, and this move is bishop to g6, luring the king away, and he has to take there, so black is winning the queen. I saw this trap in one of my pupils and I said, okay, now it's your turn, what are you going to do? He happily did this one, and after my move e5 I said, okay, I'm going to continue playing. He was happy to capture here on c8, and now black is winning because they can do something similar, and they have this discovered check, and after this we're going to win the queen, and white and black here is winning. This one trap actually. The most accurate move for you is to go back with the queen, because the queen is very vulnerable and you should protect her, and after that continue playing with your remaining army. If you would like to get attacking positions in every opening, then I suggest you this amazing course, 10 aggressive openings, blitz friendly. And here I'd like to show you the lessons inside the website. If you are logged in, then you are going to see this new menu profile. If you click it, you are going to see this page, and then you can click here my lessons. From this one you can see your available lessons, and if you scroll down you can click here 10 aggressive openings with Asaf Givon. With this fantastic author we create together the lessons, and you can see here one lesson after the other. You can see typical mistakes, after that how to start the game correctly, the best 10 moves, then you can see what are the aggressive openings, and then you are going to learn one lesson after the other. We have a lot of lessons there, and you can create a very solid and strong repertoire with white and black. And here you can see 2 of the free lessons that I already published them on YouTube. And last but not least, here you can download the PGN theory on your website. You can download the practice, the PGN files. You can see all of the games online on my website, or if you click here on practice PDF, then you can see the exercises in the PDF format, and you will be available to download this as well. You can set up these positions. You have a lot of interesting examples in each position from every single opening. I suggest you this fantastic course in order to start correctly in every single opening. And here white may show that he cannot really take this bishop, and he had the idea to capture on c7. Why not? I just capture a pawn, I have an extra queen and I'm winning the game. What could go wrong? And now black played this move knight to c6 actually. White continue attacking here, and after this move knight e8 he realized that the queen is trapped. He give a check, we have here the king there, and now black is really winning, because white need to sacrifice the queen back, and he has an extra piece. So anything can go wrong, and finally White managed to win that game. Actually, it was a really crazy game, but okay, players didn't play correctly. In order not to lose games like this, you should ask yourself, what is my opponent idea? Now I'm going to show you another game, another pattern actually. We have two kids here under 10 years old, and if you would like to play the Scots, first of all you need to play this move knight f3, it's more accurate, let's say, but he made it in different move order, and after this he played there, and now you have another crazy move. Please sit down in order to see this one, and the move is knight to g5. It looks illogical, completely illogical, but I have a video about that, and many players fall into these traps, and this move particularly have extremely big rating, winning rating, and you should know what you're doing. And here after this move h6, immediately black fell into that trap. Actually, you should play something else like bishop to e7. I analyze very carefully on my other video. You're very welcome to check it later. But here after that move, White hesitated, he went back, and he finally lost the game. But if you play such moves in the opening, you have only one scope, to sacrifice your knight, right? And you can create a very strong attack, because after this you have a check, and after this you have another check. For example, he has to go out, and here you lure the king out, and he has only two. We have two ways actually to continue the attack. One is to play a check here on f4. What to do? He can put the knight there, but we can perform this checkmate, or he can do it in another way around. We can play e5, another nice check, because after this we have the same checkmate, and if he just takes with a king here, with a king, we have checkmate in one move, and this is queen f4. She cannot go anywhere, this is a checkmate, so we can win that game. And as I promised, here we have a game from Bobby Fischer with white pieces, Bent Larsen with black, very strong players. And after this move, I don't remember the name of that opening. Could you please remind me in the comments if you know this opening? And now we have this one, and after that he played the move d6, and after this we have some exchanges, and one normal looking move here is knight d7, right? Because he has a piece on our territory, and he would like to exchange it, and black will be happy if white just exchange there. But Fischer said, no, I have another idea. Do you imagine what he played? And if you are a little tactical aware, you can sacrifice your knight. You are threatening the queen obviously and the rook, so he has to take, and after this check you are threatening the king and the knight in the same time. He has to go here. Fischer repeated the position sometimes, and now Bent Larsen went on d6. Why this is happening? Because he could play some psychological tricks and say, I only play for the win, right? I'm only playing for the win. And obviously after this move he wasn't planning to create the perpetual check, but he was planning to play this move c4. Now, believe it or not, black has huge problems because his pieces are not coordinated. And for example, after this we can give a check, he has to go there. Now we have a very nice move, and this is queen to f7, very cool. We are threatening a check here on e6. For example, if he goes there, we have this check, and now we have another very nice prophylactic move, difficult prophylactic move. Prophylaxis is a strong idea actually, and players approximately on 2000 elo can find it. If you find such prophylactic moves, you are playing very nice chess, and for the example after this we can deliver a checkmate. Another idea is to play something like knight e5. What could go wrong? I'm attacking your queen, I'm protecting this e6 square, but here white has this move, bishop to f4. He is threatening something like that to win the knight, or other ideas. And after this, for example, knight there, and after queen e8, for example, you have another tactic. What are you going to do here with white pieces? It's white's turn, and white can play this very nice move, knight e4, attacking the king, and if he just captures there, we can take his own queen. So please remember this tactical motif to sacrifice your knight on f7 in some times. As I told you in 3 different examples, 3 different positions, you have this opportunity to sacrifice there and win a lot of games. Please also remember to check out the game I also mentioned a little later. Thanks for your time and I hope you enjoyed the video. Here it's time for action. This is the initial page of my website and here you can click Give me access to get access to free lessons. You can read this page and if you scroll down, here you can add your name and your email. After that, you're going to take a free lesson how to avoid chess blunders. So, time for action is now and you're very welcome to join my mail list.